You have shoes you want to ship, but you don't want to pack it in a shoebox or something of the similar size. Here's a quick few tips on how to ship shoes slightly cheaper and more convenient. Get your pair of shoes and turn them so they fit in each other like this. Now this part's optional, but I tend to bubble wrap my shoes for this business just to get it some extra padding. Now this is the main part. Instead of using a box, I use a medium-sized satchel that is 400mm wide by 500mm long. You can also get a prepaid version of this from the post office. Push your shoes to the very back of the satchel, tuck and roll to close. Now push down to get any air out. Doing this allows it to be slightly cheaper and also fit into a post box for convenience.